Death Stranding sequel continues to look absolutely bonkers. The upcoming game, known as Death Stranding 2 on the Beach, got a fresh trailer and a long-awaited release date of June 26 during a presentation at SXSW. The PlayStation 5 exclusive will cost $69.99 and is available for pre-order starting on March 17th. Those who buy the Digital Deluxe Edition for $79.99 or the Collector's Edition for $229.99 get early access starting June 24th. Hideo Kojima presented the 10-minute trailer, which opens on two characters. One is Neil, who's played by Italian actor Luca Marinelli, arguing with each other. Following that, there's plenty of Sam, played by Norman Reedus, navigating the wastes with his BB and his cargo, facing bad weather, an avalanche, and the series' signature horrific monsters. The game's got a lot of star power, with the trailer highlighting characters like Fragile, played by Lea Seydoux, Tarman, played by George Miller, Higgs by Troy Baker, Tomorrow by Elle Fanning, Dahlem by Fatty Akin, Rainey by Shioli Kutsuna, The President by Alastair Duncan, Lucy by Alyssa Jung, Hartman by Nicholas Winding Refn, and Doctor, played by Deborah Wilson. Near the end, the trailer shows Neil donning a bandana that, as it's noted, is very reminiscent of Solid Snake, the lead character of Kojima's famed Metal Gear Solid series. The shot is creepy, with quick flashes showing his face intermittently replaced with a skull. Kojima also noted the Strands of Harmony World Tour, a Death Stranding concert tour that will visit 19 cities and feature the music of Death Stranding, performed by a live orchestra and singers. It begins on November 8, 2025 in Sydney, Australia. First announced in 2022, On the Beach is a direct sequel to 2019's Death Stranding, a game that saw Metal Gear Solid director Hideo Kojima branch out with a new studio. The original success led to a director's cut, multiple ports, and an upcoming live-action film made in partnership with A24. The studio is also working on a pair of other projects with the Xbox horror game OD, which stars Sophia Lillis and Hunter Schafer, and an action espionage codenamed Physint.